The we want to start the stream here. So I've got this going with ChatGPT. I kind of told it to tell me. Okay, see, I think it's right here. Yeah. Now list each demo in a table. Give me two things for each demo. The next step, and two motivational words to show you're excited about the project. The next step one doesn't have to be perfect, just a suggestion. Also, make an additional column and add a question that will allow me to update you on the project. Anything at all that you don't know about the project, what that would give you more complete information for the next update listing that I ask for. And it says, sure, here's a table with the information you requested. And then it's got all this stuff. Each demo that I've been talking with it about, the next step in that demo that might help, might be a good one, might be a, whatever. Motivational words, and then an update question. And it's going really cool. And then it says, I'm excited to hear more about your progress. So let's keep updating this table displayed by you each time after we talk about update status of the demos. I want to add one more column. In that column, imagine you're an expert C++ OpenGL game dev coder working with me on these projects. Add a possible coding suggestion for a mechanic, a function, something along those lines, something that may help the project along. And then I said, also, I really liked your question on the player progression for the Space Trader. I wanted to start out the player in a void, away from the planets, have the player play like the shooter game with inventory, collect resources, craft a better engine, so they can reach the first planet, start the actual gameplay, but I wanted to add more, like collect the first resource to be able to get more resources, then with those second tier resources, repair the ship, expand the hyperdrive, weapons, shields, inventory capacity, just to get the game going. So it says, sure, here's an updated table, and then we got the 2D space arena. This is the current status of the game. Minions move towards the enemy nexus. Player doesn't fire. Next step, implement player firing mechanics. That's pretty good. Excuse me, motivational words. Let's make this a great 2D MOBA. That's pretty cool too. Consider implementing a system for waypoints for minion movement. That is excellent. And then right here, what kind of AI would you like to see for enemy movement and strategy? See, that's really good too. That goes along with their suggestions. So. And then the Vampire Survivors clone that I got. Prototype with happy creatures and space background. That's all it is. I've shown that on stream. Add more mechanics such as absorbing enemies to use as weapons. That was my idea, and I fed it into the system here. This VS clone has a lot of potential, see? Consider implementing a system for upgrading weapons based on essence collected. Isn't that cool? What kind of weapons would you like to see in the game? And it gets my brain thinking about what kind of weapons would I like to see in the game. That's pretty cool. So then we go on to Space Shooter, playable demo with basic shooting, and it's just, I think this is really cool. So I thought I would share this with you guys. And those are the prompts that I used to get it. So anyways, welcome to the stream. There's nobody here yet. That's fine. Let's continue reading this. Playable demo with basic shooting mechanics. Add enemies with more complex behaviors. Which one is this talking about though? The Space Shooter. Let's make this shooter the best it can be. That's got to be the one, the Galactic Odyssey Race to the Stars. Consider implementing a power-up system for the player's weapons. That's good. How do you envision the final boss battle of the game? Oh, that's a good one. It's a good one. 2D Space Trader prototype with basic inventory and trading mechanics. Okay, I don't actually have that. Prototype with basic voxel world generation. There we go. Create resources to craft better engines and expand the game. So this is kind of getting confused, I think. But we're going to let it go. I'm excited to see how far we can take this project. Consider implementing a system for player progression based on completed missions. Oh, that's a good idea for the trader here. What kind of planets and systems would you like to see in the game? And 2D Space Trader prototype available. Okay. Implement basic trading mechanics and ship upgrading. This project has so much potential with the addition of the voxel worlds. Isn't that motivational? That's so cool. Consider implementing a crafting system for upgrading ship components. How do you envision the player's interaction with different factions in the game? Okay. I feel like there's so much I want to tell it. What was it called? The Steam screenshot utility. But what did it say last about the Steam screenshot utility? Develop a prototype and test with various games. This could be a really useful tool. Keep going. Isn't this great? This is so great. Your creativity never ceases to amaze me. This is so cool. The two mechanics sound really exciting. Okay, what games have you tested the utility with so far? Okay. Okay, is there anything else I wanted to add to the update? Okay, I think that's pretty good. I always Control A and Control C because when I hit enter, if it goes wonky, and it'll lose the prompt. So I always, it's in the clipboard right now. See, when it does this, it might lose the prompt. And I told it to just update the table each time. So it's doing that right now, and I'm getting all new information. This is so motivational. Nice. Okay. Add weapons, health bar, and absorb mechanic. There we go. I can't wait to see how this unique mechanic will play out. Implement a combo system when absorbing enemies for more powerful weapons. How is the balancing of the game going? Okay. I don't actually know how to balance a game, but demo with minions that move toward enemy base. Add player firing mechanics and AI for enemy movement and strategy. Intense battles. Actually, yeah, it does. That's cool. Implement a more robust AI that can adjust strategy based on player movements. Nice. How is the player movement feeling? Actually, it feels pretty good. Okay. Prototype in progress. Complete prototype and test on games. This tool will save so much time for game developers. That's cool, dude. That is some great feedback, some great motivation. Implement a feature that automatically captures screenshots at certain intervals during gameplay. That's a great idea. What the heck? That's a great idea. How have the testing results been so far? That's a great idea. That's a great idea. Ba-da-da-da-da-bum. Ba-da-da-da-da-bum-bum. Ba-da-da-da-da-bum-bum. Ba-da-da-da-da-dum. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-dum. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-dum. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-bum-bum. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-bum-bum. Wait, the firing is starting to go through things. Why is that? Why is that? Oh, is it not hitting it close enough or something? What's going on there? Yeah, it's going through some of them. Ah, see? See? Alright, anyways. I wonder why. I don't really know. Boom, ba-bum. Yes, it's the Game Chops Radio, brought to you by the Videos and Games Study Lounge, brought to you by Game Chops Radio. Okay. What else? Do I just want to do this? I kind of want to just share this. I don't really know if I want to do any coding. Because I just got off work. I work tomorrow. I also find out some stuff tomorrow about my finances, which are going to be awesome. Hopefully. And what else? I feel like this is where I want to be now. Maybe the screenshot utility. See, because implement a featured automatic capture screen at certain levels of gameplay. So this can be like a class that I invent. That can be a class that I put into, you know, the games and stuff. Okay. Level design is a very important aspect of creating an engaging game experience. Here are some general tips for designing levels for your space shooter. Start simple. Begin with easy and straightforward levels to introduce the player to the game mechanics, and gradually increase the difficulty as the player progresses. Okay. Add variety. Incorporate a variety of enemies, obstacles, and power-ups to keep the gameplay interesting and challenging. Okay. Design around a theme. Use the background, music, and enemies to create a cohesive theme for each level. Use vertical space. Since you're in space, take advantage of the y-axis. Incorporate enemies and obstacles attacked from above and below. Boss battles. Include unique and challenging boss battles at the end of each level to provide a sense of accomplishment and to break up the gameplay. Quest system. Introduce a quest system with rewards for completing tasks or achieving certain milestones in the game to provide motivation for the player to continue playing. With these tips in mind, you can start designing levels that are both engaging and fun to play. Good luck with your game development. Alright, I have no idea what it's going to say right here. Oh. What? A cutscene. That's awesome. Okay, sure. Here's some ideas for the first 3 levels of your space shooter demo. Open space with few obstacles, no gravity. Destroy a certain number of enemy ships. Enemies. Basic enemy ship that moves in a straight line and fires single shots. Slow moving enemy ship that fires homing missiles. Oh. Player ship. Basic laser weapon, normal movement speed. Detailed setup. Why is that level 2? Setting. Asteroid field with more obstacles and less open space. Still no gravity. Asteroid field. That's a great idea. Holy shirt. Okay, destroy enemy ships and avoid asteroids. Faster moving enemy ship that fires multiple shots at once. Enemy ship that drops mines. Player ship. Upgrade laser weapon with wider spread. Slightly faster movement speed. Okay. Polishing aspects. setting, space station or debris field with more complex obstacles and gravity. I hadn't thought about that. Interesting. Destroy enemy ships and protect the station or avoid debris. Anybody there? Hey, if you're there, say hello. You don't have to. Enemies. Elite enemy ship with stronger shields and multiple laser weapons. Elite enemy ship. With strong shields. Did we have shields before? Lays down a laser field that damages player's ship over time. Enemy ship that releases drones to attack the player. Okay, these are crazy. This is crazy. This is not what I was thinking about when I thought about the shooter, but you know, we could do this. This is definitely a challenging thing. Upgrade laser weapon with more powerful shots. Ability to boost forward for a short period of time to escape danger. For the transition between levels, you can use a simple cutscene or animation to show the player moving to a new location. That's cool. That's really cool. You can also add a reward system for completing each level, such as upgrading the player's ship or unlocking new weapons or abilities. That's a good idea. As for the quest system, you can add optional objectives or challenges for each level, such as destroying all enemies within a certain time limit or collecting hidden items. Completing these objectives can give the player bonus rewards, such as extra points or upgraded weapons. Wow. That's kind of cool, I think. See what it says to that. Oh, what is it doing? I wasn't expecting that. Oh, that's a great idea. Where does it get this idea from? That's perfect, because I don't really want to... So when I use the cutscene from level 1 to 2, it could be going into like an asteroid to get into the crystal cave. A crystal spider? Spider-like creature made entirely of crystals? Oh, because I do have a spider. Ah. The possibilities here. That's pretty cool. That could actually work. Because I could use a crystal as the spider demo. Hold on, I gotta find that. Hold on, that's a great idea. That's a great idea. That's an idea. That's a great idea. Okay, so where's the spider demo? Shoot, I'm too excited. Calm down. Breathe in. Breathe out. There we go. There we go. Let's look down here. It's a ways away. It might not be a ways away. It might be close. Right here. Right here. It's in here. It was... I can't believe it actually said that too. That's just so perfect. Hopefully I didn't pass it. Oh, it might be. There we go. Spider Thingy has friends demo. It remembers where I was at watching the video. Okay, what? Main Dune People version 003. Really? Alright, hold on. There it is. Everything looks good here, I think. Oh, this is not what I was thinking. Oh, but this one's cool too. Look at this. Because this was when I was trying to do that light stuff. I was trying to do the lighting. Isn't that cool? That's really cool. This is one demo that I want to look at some more. Gosh. So let's go into the game dev log. Space Arena, Steam Utility, VS Clone, Space Shooter, Space Trader. Okay, so let's go with yeah, for the VS Clone we can put a note. Main Dune People _ version 0/03. Okay, and that would be good for the VS Clone or, you know, whatever else. But basic class of Dune People version 005. Which one was this one? Oh, it's down here. Spider Thingy demo version 2. Ah, cool flashlight effect. Okay, let's copy that over into the. There. Cool flashlight effect. Alright, I like that too. So let's go here. Let's comment out the cool flashlight effect. There might be something else that I have to change in order to get that to work. Oh, there it is. Init text is not a member of basic. Oh, so we just have to get rid of that? Where's the cursor? Oh, there it is. There's the cursor. So yeah, see these little spider dudes? We could just like generate one and then put a crystal right in the middle of it. And then as it moves around, we could just keep this, we could have the background could be invisible. Stars could be invisible. And that would just be funky. That would be funky. That would be really cool. Alright, I'm liking that. I'm liking that. So that's in the shooter. We're going to put that. Was that in the shooter? Where were we talking about that? Hey. What? How do we cut this person? Oh, I don't really care. Nobody's going to see it. Nobody comes to my channel. Nobody's going to see it, so I don't care. So, right, that was in the shooter for the levels and stuff. Okay, so where's the shooter? Right here. Okay. Spider Thingy demo. What was that? That would be so cool. Okay, so as far as moderating, how do I moderate this? I forget how to do that. Okay. I don't know how to do the moderation. It's got the sword there, but it won't let me go into the thing. Huh. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's cool. So all I had to do was go into here, show mod icons. Ah, there you go. Not sure why the mod icons weren't shown to begin with, but whatever, whatever. Okay. Okay, so that's really cool. This is crazy. Okay, interesting. I really like this crystal cave spider crystal suggestion. So, anyways, I don't think I'm going to do any coding. It's already been 35 minutes. All right. Do I really want to do anything else? It's only been 35 minutes. We can go an hour. I don't know. I think I need to exercise and eat some stuff and everything. So I'm just going to end it. Thanks everybody for tuning in to the YouTube, because I didn't get many people on stream. That's all good. And have a good one.